Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Really Herbs. As you all know, we bring effective herb that is very useful for you and your family. So stay tuned as we bring new topic this week. Our topic for today is cookie dryness. If you understand the word cookie, not cookie biscuit but cookie. Okay, so when you have cookie dryness, first of all, you need to know the cause why you have dryness in your cookie. First of all, it might be if you are not feeling your partner. Secondly, if you are stressed out, And thirdly, that I know for sure, if you are on birth control and you are on a particular drug that is affecting you. And the fourth one, I know if you have infection too. And fifth one, if you are breastfeeding, it makes your cookie very dry. So what are the remedies to cure this problem? Because it's a problem, because it causes discomfort when you are being intimate with your partner. So first of all, I have 4 that I want to give you that is very effective. So stay tuned and let's tackle them one by one. Okay, thank you. Let's go. So guys, we are still talking about cookie dryness. So the number 1 on my list is clove. You get clove, enough clove, like 2 tablespoons. Then you soak it in 1 liter water. Then once you soak it inside the 1 liter water, the one you want to drink, which is half glass cup of like your water glass, the half of it, you pour the clove inside the half, like you pour the clove inside the glass and it should be half of it. It should reach the level of the glass at half gauge, please. Then you add your honey. Then you buy your preferred liquid milk. Then you pour it in it. You drink it 30 minutes before you want to use your cookie with your partner. You drink it before 30 minutes and you see the work of God. It will be slimy. It will be slippery. It will gain like free access. You won't feel any discomfort again. It's very effective. That is number 1 I recommend. You see number 2. The number 2, you get cinnamon powder. You pour it in the hot water. Small teaspoon inside cinnamon. Small teaspoon of that cinnamon inside hot water. Then you add your honey. Honey plays a special role when it comes to sweetening and slipping your cookie. Do we get? So that is why everything, like you're adding honey. So when you add that, you add cinnamon inside the hot water and the honey, 2 tablespoons. It depends on how you want the honey or the drink to be very sweet. Since it's original honey, you are good to go. Then you drink 30 minutes before. You'll be the one dragging your husband. You can even drink it with your husband. You'll be the one dragging your husband. It gives you that urge. And you won't feel any dryness in your cookie or any discomfort. It's very, very effective. That's it. Number 2. So let us move to number 3. So guys, number 3 is all okra water. That one too is very, very effective. Let me tell you how you use it. Get okra. Let me say 1,000 naira. Cut it into pieces as if you want to cook it. Not to like you want to prepare seafood okra, like you keep it, you slice it round, not chopping it. Then you soak it in the water for like 30 minutes. You are extract the okra from the water. It's the water that you need. You're drinking like 1 shot. Like even though like you don't have a match, if you don't have any match, it's very good. Like you want it to be in your body. You want all those hardness to go away. That okra water, you're taking 1 shot daily for like 3 weeks. You look for a man by force. You look for a man by force for yourself. It's very, 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 very effective. But you take that one once daily. You want to take it, you take it once daily, you take it once daily, you take it once daily. It's very, very effective. So that is number 3. So Let's go for the number 4. Are we ready? So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, as you see that I'm giving you the effective and simple way for you to take care of your cookie if you are having cookie dryness. Do you understand? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like, turn on the notification button for more effective app on homey herbs. So let's go with the number 4. Thank you. The number 4 is for if you are the type that has low urge, you have low libido, you don't have this urge for men, and you are dry down there, and you have let me still call it urge. You have urge to have intimate the with your partner. This is used to spicing up. Although we've been using it for long, but still people don't do it, and it's very very effective. These small things that you can like I don't like to do it, or I'm too lazy to do it. They are very very effective. You can just try it for a week and see the changes. You don't see change, drop it, don't use it again. Which is that date, coconut, and what is it called? Tiger nut. Soak these 3 to the extent that they are very soft. Blend it together. Remove the chaff and start drinking. You see it very well in order that the chaff will not even be in that drink. Start drinking it. Just try it for a week. You can put it in your fridge. You will have that urge. Everywhere will be slippery. Sorry, everywhere will be slippery, and you even enjoy your cooking more. Even your partner, you can share it with your partner, because you both will have that urge, and it will even last long on you. Do you understand? So these are the 4 that I know that are very very effective. That are very very effective. Thank you. This will be the end of this video. I really appreciate you watching it to the end. Bye.